Hello. Welcome to a Capcut tutorial on how to add a watermark. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is if you open up your pictures or realistically any sort of picture files that you have, um, make sure that you have the thing that you want to be your watermark. For me, I just picked a picture that I have from my YouTube stuff and then drag it on into your media pool. And then from here, you can drag the picture onto your screen. Now you'll notice that it'll be too big. So you can use the adjustment things to maybe, move it down to like the bottom right corner. Or maybe you could even have it be like a PNG of like your logo or something, right? That's probably what you'll want it to be. And then from here, just go ahead and click on it. And you can adjust a couple different things right here, like the opacity in the blend section of the video, like so. So then, okay, I'll go ahead and turn down the opacity, maybe add a screen to it, and put it somewhere where it's visible but doesn't get in the way of the video. And then now you have a little bit of a watermark. Now, a lot of people would prefer to use maybe like their logo or like a word of their name or like maybe their @. You can also do this with just text, super simple, but that is going to be how you do it. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. Other than that, though, I'll quickly do it with text for anybody who would want to see how to do that. So it's essentially the same way. You put the text where you want it, and then you have to find the blend thing, and then just turn down the opacity. And then I don't know, we'll type in quick tips, and then now you'll see that the double watermark that we have in the bottom left corner kind of sits there and does its job without taking away from the video. If you guys have any questions,